Ki nonghikai ke skulbah Northeastern Hill University kemudian hapok kalama jong ka NEHUTA. Bat ka Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association. Kilawan ban pensngau ulat kejela UCH Vijaya Shankar halor kejinglong jingman hakane ke skulbah. Abakran gilat patai kubor u Profesor Lakon Kamau tu bahagian kendo badulat kejela. Ula penpau gejing sokya halor gejing ki syatngan keberang yat NEHU. Bat kedoro bulat ula bata nonghikai bat dia barok shim benta bagian IT lagi jong gijing ai jingmut kumno ban penkut no ya ke kynram haka skul ba NEHU. Ula benrap bulat udang pentip ya ke jinglong jingman ha NEHU bat ong bagadai gadak ka baha bandan kumno ulat ubat sokya ya ki mat jong skul ba. Hagbai dai bagajing dawa banweng no ya Vice Chancellor Profesor Lakon Kema ulong bagi samla puli nonghikai bat kibam de nonghikai jong skulbah kila duk jing shania Profesor PS Shukla ban beteng hakashuki Vice Chancellor jong de skulbah. Profesor Lakon Kema ulong bagi nonghikai kim shimlawan bani kendo ulat kejela namar bagi dawa banweng no Vice Chancellor. Mereka lawan tang ban bishar benia jing jak berangyat hakas skulbah. Bat ongru bagi samla puli dan kahok bandawa na Vice Chancellor banhiar syuki na kakam gajong u. Nama raduk kesi ke kong jong ki Vice Chancellor shimlale na shimla shimkia banweng gijing ya jugi samla puli nonghikai negi bamde nonghikai.
That he have the same sense of feeling like we are having looking at our kids who are under the hunger strike, and I think as a father he expressed his deepest sense of sadness like we all, and he's taking this issue very, very seriously. And we had a long discussion on each and every issue that has culminated to this agitation that is led by NEHU and KSU NEHU unit, and of course NEHUTA and META, we are supporting them. I think Governor is aware because he has been reading newspapers and media reports on daily basis that has come out for last several days, and we have had a point-wise discussion on each and every issue. Of course, it's just the first meeting. We didn't arrive at any solution per se, but I think we appreciated the seriousness that the governor has as a chief rector of NEHU, and he will do all necessary possible measures that he will take in order to restore normalcy. So he has indeed he has advised us to come with the suggestions to end this agitation, the solutions which we will go back and discuss with our members, and also of course we have to interact with NEHU who is leading the agitation. So we will come back, and he has given us a free you can say a free pass here, that whenever we feel like coming we should come, and he will be out. I think he is coming back by 12. So we in the meantime will be preparing what all solutions that we need to take, because there are so many problems that you all know that has led to this agitation. So we will come with our own suggestion and how best we can resolve all the issues. And that much at least he has assured us that he will do everything possible as a chief rector to and his main concern, like all of us, was that kids should not go like this. They are on hunger strike. It's so sad because ultimately university is meant for them. If they are not there, we teachers are not there, nobody is there. People may come and go, VCs may come and go, teachers may come and go, non-teaching staff may come and go, but the university must stay, and it must stay for the student community of this beautiful state of Meghalaya, and of course the entire region, and of course the whole country as such. So I think we had a very, and we are very happy because for a change, we have seen that there is somebody occupying this governor's chair who seems to be very compassionate about how things are going, and he as a chief rector is taking it very, very seriously because we all know this Vice Chancellor has not shown any sign of the empathy as such, and he showed total lack of the concern for the students who are agitating, who are on hunger strike now. It is almost 4 days now. But this governor, at least we are happy to see that he is totally different from at least the Vice Chancellor, that much we can say. And I think we have come out with a positive note, and he has told us to prepare whatever we want to suggest to improve the things. So we will go back and discuss with our associations and of course also with the students to see how best we can, because we are all concerned. Their health is getting deteriorated day by day. 3 of them has been hospitalized, and after this we are going to civil hospital to see them if they are still around in the hospital. But then we are concerned. Yeah. So we are concerned that many more may fall sick, may fall weak. And I think it is a concern for all of us to see that, because their health is our prime concern right now, and how best we will arrive at a solution, of course, needs to be discussed among ourselves, and of course we have to convey to the students.